I like to work at night. Makes everybody's life easier. Variety of places I get to go. The different customers, different people, really fits my personality great. Time constraints is the biggest thing. There's a lot of customers that don't want to shut down their machines during the day. Around here, I've been to almost every major stadium here. Every airport expansion, I've been out there. It's interesting to get to go see. You get to drive your truck out on runways and stuff like that. I've seen everything grow up around here. I don't have to be stuck in one spot all the time. I get to go and meet everybody. All the guys that run trucks with me and do that were very helpful. I mean, everybody always helps each other out. If I need something or need help with something or they do, we're a phone call away and everybody shows up and no one complains. The team we got right now is one of the best teams I've ever had, honestly.